Don't want to delete a Facebook post, but don't want it public either? There's a smart way to hide posts without losing them forever. Most users don't even know this feature exists. Today, I'll show you how to archive Facebook posts the right way. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where you learn smart, simple, and professional Facebook tricks that actually work. Step by step, how to archive a Facebook post. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your smartphone and sign in. This method works perfectly on both Android and iPhone devices. Make sure the app is updated for full feature access. Stay on the home screen before moving forward. Step 2. Locate the 3-line menu icon at the top corner of the app. This menu gives you access to profile and content controls. Open it to reveal your account navigation panel. From here, continue to your profile. Step 3. Navigate to your Facebook profile from the menu. Scroll through your timeline to find the post you want to hide. This can be a recent update or an older post. Once identified, keep it visible on screen. Step 4. Open the 3-dot options menu on that specific post. This menu allows you to manage visibility and post actions. Choose the option labeled Move to Archive. Confirm the action to proceed. If this tip is helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more Facebook privacy and cleanup tricks. Your support helps me bring you smarter content every week. Step 5. The post is now safely moved to your archive. It's hidden from your profile but not deleted permanently. You can restore it anytime from the archive section. This keeps your profile clean and under your control. Boom, done. Your Facebook post is now archived, not erased. Archiving posts is the smartest way to manage your Facebook profile without losing memories, engagement, or content history. If you found this video useful, subscribe and comment below for more Facebook tips that make your digital life easier. See you in the next one. This is Preyo Phonie, keeping your social media simple, smart, and professional.